In this presentation, we will differentiate between weather and climate and introduce how to interpret weather maps. Weather is defined as the state of the atmosphere at a specific location, usually expressed in terms of temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind speed and direction, precipitation, and cloud coverage. Climate is defined in the terms of the average weather conditions, such as temperature and precipitation, over a long period of time. Climate is typically influenced by latitude, proximity to water, and elevation. Locations that are at a lower latitude typically experience higher temperatures year-round than higher latitude locations due to the amount of solar radiation received. Locations that are near water, especially cool ocean currents, have smaller annual temperature ranges than landlocked locations. Locations that are at higher elevations or altitude usually have cooler conditions than locations with lower elevations. The Earth can be divided into three major climate regions based on temperature and precipitation. Your tropical climate region is located between 30 degrees north and 32 degrees south. This receives the most solar radiation consistently throughout the year and are generally warm areas. The temperate climate region is located between 23.5 degrees and 66.5 degrees north and south. These areas are going to experience mild temperatures throughout the year. Your polar climate region is located 65.5 degrees north and south to the poles. These are your very cold regions. An air mass is a large body of air that is relatively uniform in temperature and humidity characteristics. Air masses are classified according to their temperature and moisture characteristics. They are grouped into four categories based on their source region. Air masses that originate in the cold polar regions are designated with a capital P for polar. Air masses that originate in the warm tropical regions are designated with a capital T for tropical. Air masses that originate over land will be dry and are designated with a lowercase c for continental. Air masses that originate over water will be moist and are designated with a lowercase m for maritime. These letters are combined to indicate the type of air mass. Meteorologists develop maps that illustrate the world distribution of temperature. Isotherms are lines that are placed on a map that connect points of the same temperature, generally trend east and west, and show a decrease in temperature towards the poles. Like isotherms, isobars placed on a weather map will connect points of equal air pressure. These are used to determine weather patterns. Iso will refer to the same or equal, and therm refers to temperature, and bar will refer to barometric.